Hey guys, Jared Levy here, Chief Market Strategist at Peak American Investment Advisors. And what I'm looking at right here, obviously we've got a lot going on in the world. The one area, and I'll call it an area of concern of mine, has been the NASDAQ 100, has been technology. Again, long term, I love it. From a valuation perspective, this is just one area where we really have to be cautious. And I think if you own something like the Qs, which is obviously the NASDAQ 100, it's a collection of, 100 different stocks, heavily weighted, though, in the NVIDIAs of the world, the Apples of the world, Microsoft, et cetera. I think now is a good time to reevaluate just how heavily you're invested in that position. Last time we had an election in 2020, obviously markets rallied at the end of 2019, but then we saw that big sell-off early in the year that cut stocks by, I believe it was about 30 to 35%. So when you're looking at something like the Qs, if you own it, you can do a couple things here. What I would recommend you do, obviously, make sure you talk to your financial advisors about your own unique situation or understand your trade, but I would be selling covered calls at least. You can also collar the trade. So for instance, as we go through this, sort of next couple months of uncertainty, you can buy a put that is below the strike price of the Qs, and you could sell a call that's above the strike price of the Qs. What that does is it creates a floor and a ceiling and gives the Qs some room to move around. But if things get too volatile to the downside, you're protected. And again, just coming into this, this new year and seeing these valuations, I would say the best advice I can give in what's been a crazy week is to protect and evaluate what you're holding. And if you own the NASDAQ 100 or high tech or big tech, make sure you're being smart about it.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.